Na guys, nakabili na kami ng ticket. Bali 7:30 pa ang boarding time. Yan. So guys, for today, we will be going for a Chao Phraya River Cruise. Walk-in lang kami kasi hindi kami nakapag-book. Pero since 7:30 pa guys ang boarding and 7 o'clock pa lang, kakain muna kami ng mango sticky rice kasi gutom na kami.
Ito mo may color yung wala?
Yung wala lang, plain lang. So, ito yung Icon Siam Food Court guys. Marami kang mapagpipili ang food dito. Ayan. Pang 4th day na namin and this is also our 4th days na kumakain ng mango sticky rice kasi sobrang sarap niya talaga. We're now heading to Pier 4 para doon na mag-wait ng boarding time which is 7:30. So yung kinuha namin guys is upstairs yung table para may magandang view.
So you are take a place, you are table number 3.
Ganyan yung views guys. While